In the wild, some animals have evolved unique hunting techniques that offer surprising insights into human health. Take the archerfish, which shoots jets of water to knock prey from branches. This precision requires exceptional vision and coordination, akin to the benefits of regular eye exercises in humans. Studies show that targeted eye workouts can enhance focus and reduce strain, much like the archerfish's accuracy. By mimicking these natural techniques, we can improve our visual health, offering a simple yet effective wellness strategy. Discover how nature's hunters inspire better health practices.